Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you are not new here, but if you are new here, please stop what you are doing and subscribe to my channel and make sure that you hit the bell so that you are notified when I upload my next video. Now, if you are liking this wash and go, okay, all this volume, my hair is very soft. This is first day hair. There is no crunch. Then keep on watching. As y'all can see, this is a well-needed wash day routine. I need some moisture and some protein to get my curls back. For my cleanser today, I used the Indian Healing Clay Mask to deep cleanse my hair. I actually did not need to use the shampoo, so I skipped that step. I went and deep conditioned with Texture ID protein deep conditioner with my steamer. I used the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. And for my styler, I used the new Wetline Xtreme Gel. Before applying the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask, I wet my hair completely. I went ahead and mixed all the ingredients together and I made it very, very thick because I will be detangling and then using water to detangle my hair before applying the clay. I'm spraying my hair down with water. Make sure you saturate it so that you can easily glide through the hair strands with your Denman brush. Make smaller subsections if needed and begin to apply the clay. I apply it at the roots. And then I work my way down the hair shaft, and then I'll go back and I'll scrub my scalp using only the balls of my fingertips, as you see. Add as much clay as you would like. You can already see my curls are popping. You are going to repeat this process all over your head. Okay, you see here I am first using water and then I grab my Denman brush to detangle my hair from the ends, working my way up to the roots. Okay, you guys, we don't want to pull out hair that is not needed. More water if you need. Make smaller subsections. I apply it directly to my scalp, massaging it in a little bit, kind of like cleansing my scalp, and then working it down the hair shaft. And y'all, go ham with it. Put as much clay as you need. It will be a lot left over. And I did not do exact measurements or anything like that. I just put some powder, the Aztec clay in a bowl, and I mixed it little by little with the apple cider vinegar. And then I added, I'd say about a tablespoon of olive oil to it. As you see, I'm going ham and these curls is popping because y'all saw how dry it was. So we bringing them back to life with the clay. And I'm finally done. Here's what it's looking like. You can see my curls are popping and I still have some left over. So we are going to use it as a face mask. You put it on, you can leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes, depending on your skin sensitivity, and it removes the impurities and dirts from your pores. It's really, really good, y'all. And you can kind of feel it working. You'll feel it getting hard, kind of. And y'all, when I tell y'all I could not move my face, my mom was trying to talk to me, and I'm like, Ma, I can't talk. But yeah, you'll see me applying it all over my face, trying to get everywhere. Uh-oh. I kind of laid it on thick, but that's okay. I was trying to use it all up. Apply all the leftovers to your hair. Use it up. Your hair needs it. It loves it. You're cleansing your hair. So use it all up. Don't waste nothing. You can actually use this clay for if you have acne. You can use it for body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled clay for knee packs, and insect bites. It is very beneficial. So y'all should try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on trying it out. Did y'all see these curls? Like they're clumped without, this is no product. No product whatsoever. Now it's time to apply the deep conditioner. I'm using the Texture ID. As I told y'all before, y'all please excuse my face. I get red easily, so just ignore it. It'll be gone by the end of this video, I guarantee y'all. I am okay. I am not having an allergic reaction or anything like that. Anywho, getting back to the video, as you guys saw, I split my hair down the middle, and I also made sure that I applied the deep conditioner in the middle. You don't want to miss the inside of your hair. So apply it all over. So this is right after me rinsing my hair out of the deep conditioner. And this is with the leave-in conditioner. Didn't use a towel to dry it. I wanted to keep it wet, as you can see. I'll give you another spin. And now we are going to style using the new Wetline Xtreme Gel. And here we go. All right, I have my hot water handy and my dimming brush. We're going to detangle the hair. And then the only thing we have to do now is just add the gel, because we have already added our leave-in conditioner all throughout the other sections. This gel really clumps my curls nicely. And we're going to just repeat the process all over my head. Always detangle from the ends, working your way up to the roots. Apply the gel to the root and then bring it down the hair shaft. Don't mind that clay on my neck, you guys. Just ignore it. I'm kind of smoothing pieces of my hair after doing the raking method. So I'm raking and smoothing at the same time. Keep on smoothing my hair just to work in the products. And then smoothing each individual curl. Not actually twirling it around my finger or anything. I'm not shingling, just smoothing. like I said, I do sit under the dryer. My hair loves indirect heat because I am low porosity. I said it again and again and again, but I need heat to make sure that my hair strands, like my cuticle, open so that it can absorb the product, so that the product does not sit on top of my hair, i.e. flakage. That's where you get product build up on top of my hair strand, not even penetrating the cuticle to allow the product in. So yes, we're sitting under the dryer. You see me moving around so that I can make sure that I get those areas that are wet, because obviously the top of my hair is dry and we want to get underneath. But yeah, so I sat under here about no more than 30 minutes, honestly, and then I let the rest air dry. I think I tried to take the diffuser to it for about 5 minutes, and then I was over it, and I was just like, forget it. So that was it for the heat. So I'm just gonna pick my roots out just a little. You know, I love big hair, so, but I also want it to last at least a couple of days. I'm not gonna go no week though, because I want to, I want to keep water in my hair to grow it back. Many of you don't know that I did my second big chop, not by choice, September 2019. And my hair was super longer than this. But I will do, let me know, comment below if y'all want me to do a story time on my, it's going to be a horror story of my layers, diva curl, diva cut. It was horrible. So let me know if y'all want me to do a story time on that, and we can get that popping. Oh, I am so in love. Yes. Okay, let me, hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is what I get anyway, because this is my best friend's pick. I took it from her. We're gonna have to return it because it ain't even, well, I ain't gonna say it ain't a good one, but it ain't my good one. You know what I'm saying? I just want to thank y'all so very much for watching this video. If you have not already, please like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you are informed on the next upload. If you guys have any more questions, if you guys want me to do any other type of video specifically, please comment below. Talk to me. Let me know what y'all like. Let me know what y'all want to see. And I will see y'all on my next upload. Bye.